Fred Monks here with JPAR Real Estate. Doing an open house here at 7036 Wanda Way in North Richland Hills. I'm going to take you through a quick tour of this home. This is in the Oak Hills subdivision. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, 2 dining areas, built in 1993. Split bedroom concept, so you got 3 bedrooms on one side and the master on the other. Lots of windows. Got a breakfast bar. Double oven. Nice big laundry room. It's the master bedroom. Master bath, his and her closets. Double sinks. So if you'd like some more information on this property, this is Fred Monks at JPAR Real Estate. And thanks for viewing the video.